Hi there collectors, and welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have started to sort my coin collection and we are talked about the first quarter in my coin collection. It's a 50 states quarters collection. It was a Connecticut state quarter. The actual status of my coin collection in my app is 1 coin. We started 1 collection and total worth is 25 cents. So let's put gloves and take another quarter coin. Okay, we pick another coin. Let's see what we have. Okay, so as we can see, the obverse is the same, but this coin was minted in Philadelphia. This P refers to Philadelphia. It was minted in 1999. Yeah. Okay. Okay. On the reverse side, we can see New Jersey, the name of the state. Let's put it away. Statehood Day as printed, it's 1787. New Jersey became the third state to ratify the United States Constitution. Okay, and Washington crossing the Delaware painting, which includes George Washington standing and James Monroe holding the flag. It's referred as to the American Revolutionary War and General George Washington crossing of the Delaware River with the Continental Army on the night of December 25-26, 1777. Excuse me, 1776. It was a Christmas night, maybe? Huh? Also, we have a caption, Crossroads of the Revolution, here at the bottom. So in this quarter, we have two of General George Washington. Wow. Okay, so here we have it as a general, but here we have as a first president. Yeah. Nice. So there is nothing for me to add here now, else let's update it on my app. This quarter has the same obverse as the previous. It's also minted in Philadelphia. P refers to Philadelphia. Year of mintage is 2003. Okay. As we can see here. The state name is Missouri, and this quarter featured in the Lewis and Clark expedition. As I know, it's also called Corps of Discovery Expedition, so that's why we have this caption here, Corps of Discovery. So we can see here 3 guys, Captain Lewis, and his close friend, Second Lieutenant Clark, and York, the only African American on the Lewis and Clark expedition, and the first African American to have crossed North America to reach the Pacific Ocean. In this quarter, they are returning down Missouri River. This arc here referred to Gateway Arc National Park. What a beautiful arc! An American national park located in St. Louis, Missouri, near the starting point of the Lewis and Clark expedition. Wow, it seems an amazing place. I never was there, but if you were there, write me in comments below how this place looks like. And what is the best time to be there? So, 1821 is the year when the former Missouri Territory was admitted as a slave state in accordance with the Missouri Compromise. What an incredible story can one small 25 cents quarter tell us. So this coin also related to 50 states quarters program, and let's update in my app. Okay, as you can see, my total, we have 3 coins here, and total cost of my collection is 75 cents. And we started, we also, oh, okay, so I need to add these coins to my collection. So let's put Missouri and New Jersey. It's also 50 states quarters program. So we have in my collection 3 coins out of 15. Wow, we have a lot of jobs in the future to add all of these coins. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel and leave comments below this video if you have any questions or suggestions. See you next video. Bye bye.